Welcome to this tutorial on how to photograph the plantar surface of a horse's hoof. In this video, we'll show you how to correctly capture the measurements needed for custom horseshoeing. We're currently on the horse profile for Sagittal. You can see that he's on a 6-week shoeing cycle. I've already started working on the horse, and as you can see, the tile has automatically switched to pending invoicing. To take the measurements, you have two options. The first is to click on the camera icon in the intervention interface. A target overlay will appear on the screen. It is very important that all 3 red squares are clearly visible in the frame when you take the photo. This is a key step, as the system uses these reference points to analyze the image and extract accurate measurements. Before taking the photo, we recommend marking the heel points with a marker pen. This helps visualize the end of the heels in the image, improving measurement precision. Next, you'll need to position the T-shaped template correctly on the plantar surface of the hoof. Make sure the template is flat on the pairing plane, the finished trimmed surface, in contact with the heels to ensure proper alignment, and not necessarily centered on the hoof's axis. That's not required. What matters most is heel contact and respecting the pairing plane. In addition to the sole photo, you can also measure the sagittal angle of the hoof. To do that, simply place your phone against the dorsal wall of the hoof in a stable position. Then select which part of the hoof you're measuring: central, lateral, or medial. Choose the correct area precisely, then save the value. Once confirmed, the measurement is saved to the horse's profile and becomes visible in the overall hoof view, along with all other recorded data.